So it's been a while since we looked at the water in the office, and we've been using the Xiaomi water purifier ever since we reviewed it a couple of years back. Now, that water purifier is still going strong actually, and we've not replaced the filters even though it gives us a filter warning. But the water coming out has been constantly below 10 TDS. That means that the filters are actually working really well, and that's because our water supply in general is around 350 to 400 TDS to begin with. Now, the problem is not the TDS levels of the water, although drinking water with 10 TDS is actually not healthy for you. The problem is more the quality of water or the purification of water. Now, initially my thought was to replace the Xiaomi water purifier and get a water purifier with a TDS controller that will allow me to increase the TDS and then get slightly better tasting water and also some minerals and salts that are dissolved in the water into our bodies, which will be really nice. The problem is most TDS controllers actually mix regular water, which is unpurified or unfiltered, with filtered and purified water to bring the TDS levels to the acceptable amounts. Granted, they do pass the water through a UV filter, which means that it kills most viruses and bacteria, but it doesn't clean out the water, which means that if there are heavy minerals, including arsenic, which is a problem in the region that we are in, that doesn't get purified. So that was something that we were really getting bothered by. And going through some of the options, we found mostly water purifiers that were on the counter type, and I was actually looking for something that we could put below the counter so that it was out of sight and out of mind until we needed to sort of change the filters. Now, this is different from what we usually cover here on iGyaan. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you're not already subscribed to iGyaan, don't forget to do that as well with the bell notification turned on to all notifications so that you get notified each time we upload a new video. And if you do enjoy this video, we'll try and make more such home appliance style videos for you guys. So in the process of looking for the perfect water purifier, I actually emailed 3 companies, LG, Kent for an RO system that could help us, and Havells for a water purifier that could suit our needs. Havells actually has a 25 LPH model, which is supposedly a commercial unit, and that is something that I had seen, so I sent them an email asking a few questions about that, and out of the 3 emails that I sent, Havells was the only one that responded. Initially, they asked for my location and a contact number to connect with me and then share the information that I needed on a phone call. I actually refused to this, and I said that I would prefer getting the information on email itself, and the people were actually kind enough to answer all my questions. The way they replied also showed a lot of professionalism, and I was actually really impressed at the beginning of this itself. So I was about to pull the trigger on the 25 LPH model, which is basically a commercial unit, and it does not come with a tank, but it has an 8-step purification system, which means that it has a few pre-sediment and carbon-activated filters, and then it runs all the water through the reverse osmosis membrane. UV treats it, and then it passes through a mineral cartridge, and then it alkalines the water, and at the end you get purified water, which has minerals added back into it, and then the water is also alkaline. The problem with this was that you needed it connected to a commercial system. That means that I needed a water cooler or something like that connected to it so that it could store the water, or they would sell me a 15-liter tank separately. The unit itself was upwards of 25,000 to begin with, and the cost of the tank and figuring out all of this was turning out to be a pretty expensive endeavor, but I was ready to pull the trigger until I found out that they do make a similar system for domestic use, and that is the Havells 15 LPH model. So I sent them an email back saying that if they could explain the difference between the 15 LPH and the 25 LPH model, and if they could also tell me if they're actually the same models and if the 15 LPH does come with the things that I need. I did get a reply back as well, which also surprised me quite a lot, and the reply was also equally professionally put down, and they answered each question properly, and they did let me know in fact that both the systems were identical, with the LPH being the only big difference. So this one was rated for 12 LPH to 15 LPH. LPH, for those who don't know, is liters per hour, so the water can be purified at the rate of 12 liters per hour. And the domestic unit also does come with a water tank, which is a mix of steel as well as plastic. So the inside area where the water is stored is steel, and the outside sort of protection of the tank is made out of plastic. So this is something that was also impressive, that they did have all of this information. And They also told me that the domestic unit will come with everything that I need and it'll just be a simple replacement of the existing water purifier. Now, this is where I did purchase two water purifiers, one for the office and one for the house. And then I set up a installation. It was actually quite simple. The installation was immediately set up for the next day of the purchase of the water purifier, and the engineer's details were SMSed to me on my phone. An hour after receiving the SMS, the engineer did call me and set up a time for installation, and everything seemed extremely professional till this point. When the engineer showed up, he got his temperature checked and also got sanitized with sanitizer. But more importantly, he was wearing a proper mask and covered his hands with gloves and covered his feet with shoe covers. This I found was also very professional, and the only other company that does do this, at least when they do home visits, is Samsung. And I was really impressed with the fact that Havells was doing this with water purifiers, a thing that they've recently launched in India. Despite several weird questions, the engineer was kind enough to answer all our questions and show us the entire process of setting up the RO, and also explain to us how frequently and why the filters need to be changed. Even though our consumption in the office especially is not as much as a typical domestic unit would have, the filters would be changed in about 1 year, because either the time-bound filter notification will show up or the consumption-bound filter notification would show up. And it is ideal to change your filters out anyway if they have been once used through water as well. The engineer was actually really professional, and he had all the tools required for the installation. He was very careful as he did not bang and throw stuff around, which is also typical of engineers. We had that problem with LG once. But this guy was really careful. He made sure that everything was installed properly and as per our requirements. The system does also come with a faucet that you usually mount on the counter. We already had a pre-installed stainless steel faucet, so we had him connect the water purifier to that, and he connected everything properly, checked everything. So he pre-washed the filters, he showed us the filtration process as well, and then he asked us to fill up a tank of the water and then empty it out for a final rinse, and then we tested the water. Initially, the water TDS shows at around 80 to 90, which is something that I'm really happy with. This means that the water is being purified and the amount of solids being added back to it with the mineral cartridge is bringing the TDS to about 80 or 90, which is a healthy amount. Ideally, it should be between 50 to 150, but 80 and 90 is actually right in the middle, so we are quite happy with that. And the alkalinity of the water is also around 8.5, which is something that is a debatable topic, whether or not you believe in alkaline water working for you or not, or the health benefits of it. I personally feel that alkaline water does work. And if you go into the market right now to buy alkaline water, you pay upwards of 200 rupees for a liter of that. Here we get it out of the tap for usage every day with our coffee, with our drinks, whatever we want to use that water for, just drinking hydration, we get alkaline water. Is this the best water purifier that you can get in the market? I'm not sure, and only time will tell what our experience with it has been. But what's good is that we've heard really good things about the service from Havells. And with my interactions with them, whether over email or whether with the purchase process or with the engineer that did come to install the water purifier, I'm pretty happy with the professionalism of the company. This is the only company that did reply to me, and replied to me not only once but 3 times. And they also offered to set up a sales call so that I could buy it. I refused and I said I already have somebody selling these water purifiers to me, and they were kind enough to say that if we run into any issues with the installation or later on, we can reach back to them. Now, you should be aware that first, this is not a sponsored video. B, I purchased the water purifiers with my own money. And C, we did not disclose who we were when we reached out to these people over email, so they do not know that iGyaan or anybody from iGyaan is getting these water purifiers installed, or the fact that we are making a video for YouTube. In fact, the water installation engineer asked us why we were making a video, and Anant here, who was actually capturing the video, said he was making the video for his memories, which is basically all we can get in these years, right? The phone will remind me in 1 year that 1 year ago you were installing a water purifier. Anyway, guys, this water purifier has worked out really well for us, so we thought we'll make a video and show you guys. We've had a really good experience with the company, and the water quality and the taste of the water is really nice, and hopefully it remains like that. And alkaline water is good for your digestive system, apparently. It also hydrates you really well. So all of those health benefits, if they are real, will also be available to us. If not, it's okay. As long as we get what we wanted, which was purified water with minerals added back and UV done, and we are good, and the arsenic and any kind of heavy metals that are present in the water removed. So we are happy with that. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. I'll see you guys in the next one.